check natin ano ba ang consideration nila in choosing their winner for tonight. Winners. There are three that will be crowned tonight as winners. Other than the criteria that were provided earlier, ano pa po yung consider sa kanilang performance? 30 seconds, start now.
Okay, congratulations everyone. Generally, lahat kayo, you have inclination talaga when it comes to technical. You apply technicalities in singing. So, for me, ang basis ko na lang sa judging is my preference. When I say preference, of course, yung kumakanta nasa puso nila kanta. And at the same time, yung meron siyang na-establish na connection. While they're singing, he or she is connecting me to what is singing. So, above anyone else, lahat kayo panalo sa akin. Pero, kailangan pa rin itong pinakanta ko talaga. With, again, my personal preference.
Thank you so much.
Kaya nga, pwede bang sila na lang may mga panalo? Balita ko judges na magbibigay ng premyo sa tatlong manila.
Yes. Nung sila sa
Magpapaluan.
pwede daw bang ipanalo ng lahat?
Yes, sabi naman ang audience, di ba? Manalo na natin silang 5. Huwag na tayo maglagdag na ano. 6 pala, sorry. 6.
Magkakaroon tayo more.
Yes. Sorry.
So let's ask Judge TJ. Ano
Hi,
ba?
Just TJ.
Ano ba ang nagpalamang sa isang contestant para ipanalo mo over all of these opinions?
Ano ang hinahanap mong ultimate grand winner?
Actually, for me, you're all a winner. Napakahirap ng upo dito to judge actually. And for me, yung preference ko lang is yung doon na lang mag-base sa difficulty ng song, kung paano nila itawid, at paano nila deliver sa amin, at kung paano kayo tumago sa puso namin. Sa akin, lalo na. So meron talaga yung isang nag-stand out sa akin na yung sinasabi niya nito, Pardo, yung puso.
Yes.
Kasi sa akin, for me, hindi nasusukat yung isang magandang singer sa pagpili, kundi yung on how you capture the heart of your audience.
Yes. The storytelling.
Exactly. Congratulations to everyone. You all deserve to stand there in front of us.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Judge TJ.
Margaret mo si Judge TJ, very, ano siya, masasabi nga little predictable kasi he shows his appreciation sa performer.
Yes.
Pero kung kasi nakarelate sa atin lahat ng singers, hindi mo makikita ang tumayo.
Yes. How about our next one?
Lahat magaling tumayo. Mahirap talaga ito. Gawin namin, ang kami mga judges, mahirap. Pero ako, ang hinahanap ko yung mga sa isang kanta, kailangan yung mga dynamics. Important yan.
Yes, yung dynamics.
Loud, low, and high. Kailangan tsaka yung mga choice of song also. At saka yung paano madalihin kahit nakapikit ako, para akong dinuduyan. Mataas ba yan sa pababa, pasok sa akin yan. Kahit hindi ko maintindihan yung kanta nila, o hindi ko alam yung kanta, doon pa lang sa boses, naririnig ko, para akong napipil ko ang kanta ng kanta. Yun lang yung hinahanap ko yung paano magaling boses nga doon sa kanta.
Wow, thank you so much, Judge Ajin. Very technical.
Yes, partner.
Yung dynamics.
Technicality yung criteria natin, di ba?
Yung high and low.
What about Sir Arlene? Ano ba ang preference niya sa ating final six?
Hi, Judge Arlene.
Lahat kayo, congratulations. I would like to congratulate also yung lahat, yung community, yung ating dito, kay really such a well-deserved applause sa inyong lahat. Ang galing ng inyong program. Kayong anim lahat panalo para sa amin. Kailangan na lang pumili. I-represent nyo yung bawat kanta nyo. Kung ano yung nakita ko, yung buhay nyo. Doon sa kwento ninyo habang kinakanta nyo. Yung inyong mga sariling piyesa. Yung dati, nakita ko yung kanta mo. It reflects on you. Kaya hindi ko na alam ng mga ibang dates, pero lahat kayo i-represent nyo yung bawat kanta ninyo. And you own it. May sarili kayong style. Kaya lang, kailangan pumili talaga
let's listen to Dr. Amira.
Hi, Doc. Amira.
Congratulations. Wow, just wow. Your performance is a masterclass of vocal control and emotional delivery. Yun ang hinahanap ko talaga. But sila ngayon, mahirap pumili naman. So, thank you for sharing your gift to us tonight. Justine, Belen, Ivy, Brian, Jamie, and Abdulaziz. Congratulations. That was a truly star-making moment. Thank you so much.
Alright, thanks to Nara. And we would also say thank you, sir, at all tours for the workshop you have conducted. Palakpakan po natin sa Alcalde Director Marcelino Luis Pardo II for the team building and workshop.
Yes, partner.
Thank you for being our resource speaker.
Yes, for the information of everyone, the Battle of the Voice contestants underwent a series of trainings and workshops on personality development, stage presence,
Coaching.
vocal coaching. So lahat po yan, whatever you have witnessed here on stage is the product of hard work and cooperation with all participants in our
Also, personality development and communication skills. Diba, partner? Also, yan, of course, kinundakan yan ng ating chairman, si Ricky Shaidan, along with our resource speakers.
Yes, partner. So at this point, pagpahingahin muna natin ang ating grand finalists.
I think we have a deliberation.
Yes. And while waiting for the results to come out, we would like to acknowledge our sponsors.
Maraming salamat sa ating mga sponsors. Thank you. Maraming salamat and thank you so much, Lulu Mall Dama, Mr. Khalid Alasis, Miss May Hoynil, and Mr. Sulaiman Kalatiel. We would like to present the certificate number 26, 2025, organized by the Overseas Filipino Workers Congress, and Congress Eastern Province, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Signed, Ricardo Shaidan Jr., Chairman, Battle of the Boys Season 6, and President Jelmar Odin. May we call on representative of Lulu Mall, Mr. Saldi Fitalco, sir. Thank you so much, Skyland. Carlo, palapakan natin ang Skyland. Certificate of Appreciation presented to Good Livelihood Establishment for Training. Thank you so much, Good Livelihood. And a representative. Thank you so much, our co-chairman. Palapakan din natin si Lubin G. Villena, co-chairman of Battle of the Boys Season. Certificate. To Richard Kabaki, Fashion Runway Incident, Robles, Formal Makeup, of course, and Jessica Beauty Salon. Certificate of Appreciation presented to Teresita Maria Molina. Certificate of Appreciation presented to Paintings Host. Certificate of... And of course, Mama Sofina Pinova, aking orang dulu. Si Mama Rin isa rin sa nag-make-up sa akin. Thank you so much. Certificate of Appreciation presented to Diyos na kapakita sa Facebook ni Sir Dito.
Okay, partner. While waiting for them to assemble on stage, we would like to announce the upcoming search for Pinoy pop star. This is Middle Eastern wide. So magkakaroon tayo ng competitions in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, sa Bahrain, sa United Arab Emirates, sa Qatar, at Zimbabwe. So our second runner-up will be receiving cash prize of $300 US, a big check for that amount.
We would
a
like
trophy,
also,
and of course, a painting courtesy of Mr. Wellington Somera.
yun. Wow. You have a personalized painting.
Okay, judges, Mr. Wellington, please come here on center stage. Center stage.
Alright? As we call on your number, your name, please step forward muna dun sa harap. Yung mananalo. Tsaka tayo pupunta dito sa gitna. Alright?
With an average score of 96.64%. Our second runner-up for Battle of the Boys Season 6. The second runner-up is contestant number 15,
Ivy Unconnected! Congratulations! XR Charm Pride ng Cagayan de Oro! Ivy Unconnected! You are our second runner-up! Congratulations once again to our second runner-up! Ivy Unconnected! This moment, we will be announcing our first runner-up. Our first runner-up will be receiving $500 US, a trophy, a bouquet, a painting.
and an amazing experience.
Yes.
With an average score of 97.32%, our first runner-up for Battle of the Boys Season 6 is
Contestant number 11, Jasmine Tolentino. Congratulations, Jasmine Tolentino, ang wedding singer ng Manila. You are our first runner-up. And of course, an instant celebrity. Ano ka ba? At stardom, at fandom. Hello. Wait, ano ba naiisip mo sa unusual?
okay lang. No.
I'm sorry. Naubusan ako ng adjective.
We only have to announce one winner, pero
Asa na sila? Pwede bang step forward yung
all of the remaining finalists are deserving.
deserve na deserve? Ang gagaling po! Asan yung apat na naiwan?
Congratulations sa inyo.
Pwede ba natin silang iharap muna? Please step forward. 4 more. Who's your back? Grabe, lakas nitong apat na to.
Partner, wala na tulong na minute because our Battle of the Boys Season 6 Ultimate Champion with an average score of 98.54% is
Contestant number 14, mga
this video guys, I'm here with Shakira. Of course, interview natin kasi one of the sponsor here in Battle of the Boys Season 6. So anong feeling na nandito ka, one of the part of especially the Battle Boys Season 6?
Yes, once again, good afternoon, good evening everyone. Yes, as a sponsor, okay, I'm very thankful na nagtitiwala sa akin yung OFW Congress. As usual, okay, ako naman yung pinaka-masipag mag-sponsor actually. So, yeah, the event is very successful, okay? And then, yes, dramatic, kumbaga ang mga decisions dramatic, you know, napakagaling ng mga contestant, okay? And luckily, luckily, female, pumasok lahat ng female ang pumasok si season actually, sadly, and I have a heart, by heart choice, okay? Number 8, number 15, at saka number, I think 13, yeah. Yun ang by heart option for randomly. And then the rest is spectacular.
So amazing, di ba? Lahat mga palaban talaga mga contestant, di ba? So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much, Shakira.
Thank you
So guys, kasama nga natin ulit si Ariel kasi tatanungin natin sa kanya kasi talaga spectacular ang kanyang performance, di ba? So Ariel, what's your feeling? Kasi the one of the part ka rin dito sa Battle of the Boys, at least nagawa mo yung best mo.
Yeah, actually it's a very tough competition. While well deserved, all the competitors, they are very, very good. You know, I'm very happy that part of that journey.